A polynomial function has 3 real zeros and 4 non-real zeros. One of the real zeros has a multiplicity of 6. Gross. What is the degree of the polynomial? All right, so I have one real zero with a multiplicity of 6. So let's simplify this as much as humanly possible. Okay, I have a 0 6 times. I have 2 other zeros, and I have 4 non-real zeros. So z, 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 z. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This has a degree of 12. All right, that's basically it. You just count out how many zeros you have, real and non. And since one of the real zeros has a multiplicity of 6, you count that one 6 times, and then the other 2, and then the 4 that are non. You get 12 total. Don't overthink it. Pretty easy problem.